What's up guys, and welcome back to TikTok Bytes. In this series I'm going through all the different things you can do on TikTok and just making very short videos around how to use those different things that you can do, or the different pieces of technology in TikTok. Today I'm going through how you can do voiceovers. So you might have seen these on TikTok. They're videos where there's a video playing in the background and someone's speaking over what they do. Typically it's something around, my morning routine, or how I do this, or how I do whatever it is. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. And first you need to grab your phone and you need to get onto TikTok. So what we can do is we can go into TikTok here and we get this lovely pig, which is adorable, and we want to start recording a video using that big button at the bottom. Now you can see we are recording on two different devices, and so let's just record a 15-second video. We don't want to add any sounds to it, we don't want to add anything to it. You can add your filters, you can add your effects if you want, or you can upload down at the bottom if you wanted to. So if you've already recorded a video of your daily routine, you can then upload that to TikTok and do a voiceover over it. But let's just record it in TikTok for now. So I'm going to be talking about how we can do voiceovers in TikTok, and I'm recording a YouTube video here. Look, I record it on my phone. Isn't that fun? And that's all I want to say on this. But we don't want that audio on here. So what we want to do is we want to expand this menu here. And what you can see is there is both this voiceover and this volume effect. So we want to click voiceover first, and you'll get this nice menu thing here. So you can record voiceovers on only certain parts if you want, or you can do a voiceover across the whole thing. So if you slide this bar across, you can change where you start the voiceover. You also have this keep original sound. So what we want to do is we want to turn that off, because I don't want me talking over me talking. That's just going to be super confusing. So we want to get rid of that original sound, and I want to do a voiceover on top of that. So this is great, again, if you're, doing something noisy. Maybe, for instance, if you're in construction and you're building something, or you're doing some DIY, you don't want to be hearing the drill in the background. You just want to be seeing you drilling something into a wall, whatever it is, chopping a piece of wood up. And now we're going to tap the record button to start the voiceover. So we start the voiceover here, and as you can see, this red bar is showing showing the actual voiceover and where it is. So if we stop it and then move the bar, you can see there's a gap where there's going to be no sound. So we'll do that. You can also, if you don't like what you've recorded, you can press this undo button here and it will undo everything you want. But let's record it again, and let's go, hey, this is me recording a YouTube video around TikTok and how to record voiceovers on TikTok to create those awesome videos that we see a lot of. So that is the end of the video. And now we need to click save here. So we need to make sure we've saved that. And now this video is going to have a voiceover on it. It's not going to have the original sound, it's just going to have me talking over whatever actions I'm doing on the actual video. Once we do that, of course, we click next, and we're ready to write our description, add our hashtags, and post it to our account. So that's how you do a voiceover in TikTok. I hope you've learned something today, and for more TikTok Bytes, it'd be great if you could subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment. If there's anything that you want me to cover around TikTok, leave a comment and let me know what it is. See you in the next one.